Ever wondered how your takeout could be both stylish and sustainable? Discover the future of eco-friendly packaging. Our craft paper products are not just about being green. They're designed for durability, versatility, and everyday use. From salads to sushi, our containers are microwave safe, waterproof, and oil-resistant. Perfect for any meal on the go. Stackable, lightweight, and strong. Our packaging solutions are designed to meet your needs without compromising the planet. Join the movement towards a greener future. Choose packaging that looks good, feels good, and does good for the earth. Why settle for less when you can have packaging that's as conscious as you are? Let's make every meal a step towards sustainability.